Welcome back to the Ministry of AI, where we dive into the latest groundbreaking research in artificial intelligence. Today, we're unpacking an essential study titled Co-Writing with AI on Human Terms, aligning research with user demands across the writing process. This compelling paper, authored by Mohi Reza and a talented team, tackles the critical interplay between writers and AI tools, especially as generative AI becomes integral to our everyday writing processes. As AI writing tools like ChatGPT provide unprecedented support, writers face existential questions about their agency and ownership over their work. This study highlights the need for a systematic understanding of how different levels of AI assistance can influence writers' experiences and creativity. To tackle this, the authors conducted a thorough review of 109 papers using the Prisma approach, identifying 4 overarching design strategies for AI writing support: structured guidance, guided exploration, active co-writing, and critical feedback. They measured these strategies against the 4 primary cognitive processes in writing: planning, translating, reviewing, and monitoring. Emphasis on findings. These strategies revealed that writers' preferences for AI input vary widely. For content-focused writers, like academics, maintaining ownership during planning is paramount. However, for form-focused writers, like creatives, control during translating and reviewing takes precedence. This indicates that individual contexts, whether academic or creative, shape how users desire to interact with AI in their writing. One of the significant takeaways is that actionability matters. User interface designs that allow writers to maintain final decision-making power, such as toggling AI functionalities on and off, can greatly enhance their sense of ownership. The authors also acknowledge the limitations of their study, pointing out the need for broader explorations across diverse writing contexts and evolving AI applications. Ultimately, this research sets a vital foundation for creating human-centered AI writing tools that promote genuine collaboration on human terms. As we navigate this evolving landscape, understanding these dynamics can transform our writing journeys. Thanks for listening. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel. To advance your AI knowledge further, check out our free courses at the Ministry of AI. You'll find the link in the description below. Until next time.